guys, Pasquale is here from my sofa. But Repalo is always on, thanks to our team which works every day to deliver worldwide top quality rebuilds. During my quarantine, since I have finished all Netflix movie available, I decided to use my time to stay closer to our friends, close to our customer, because I believe despite all, in this crisis, there are still a lot of opportunities. Let's see what we have for sale. We have one Rammer E68, full rebuilt, ready to go. Then we have one Krupp HM 2500, a really strong one, 4500 kilo breaker. Then we have one V45 Metro silenced, full rebuilt, ready to go. And one V55 golden plate, all genuine inside. Don't worry, you will get the real breakers, not the sample. This is the right time to buy. Never again will be possible to buy our attachments for such a low prices. If you are a smart thinking guy, you have to take the opportunity, you have to take the chance. Otherwise, if you have stuff for sale, attachments you want to get rid of, let me know. I will buy. As I told you before, this is the right time to buy. There are opportunities everywhere. They are all around you. Thanks for watching Repalo. Catch the opportunities. You are the opportunity. Keep following us. Thank you. Bye bye. Don't give up.